In 1995, GE forever changed long-haul travel with a record-breaking GE90 engine and its carbon fiber composite fan blades. Then, we redefined what was possible with groundbreaking technologies that took propulsion and fuel efficiency to the next level in the GE9X. And now, we're doing it again. The GE9X will feature just 16 fourth-generation carbon fiber composite fan blades that are thinner, stronger, and more efficient than any fan blade we've ever produced. A compressor with a pressure ratio of 27:1, the highest in the history of aviation. A next-generation lean-burning combustor capable of handling some of the highest pressures and temperatures ever seen in an aircraft engine. We'll also use advanced manufacturing techniques like 3D printing to build components that were, quite simply, impossible to make until now. And cutting-edge new materials, including ceramic matrix composites, which are twice the strength and a third the weight of metal. The GE9X will deliver 10% better fuel efficiency than its predecessor, with noise and NOx emissions well below regulatory standards, all with the world-class reliability our customers have come to expect from us. It's this level of imagination and engineering that's helping us build the world's next great engine to power the world's next great airplane, the Boeing 777X. The GE9X isn't a culmination of invention. It's a starting point of where we're going next.